If you have product images, you can create videos without an extra shoot. Yes, creating a video has never been this easy, and you can do it directly inside CapCut. CapCut PC now has multi-track editing that combines AI video and AI image inside it, and it makes creative workflows faster, simpler, and easier to execute. I'll show you how to do it and how it will take your workflow to the next level. With this feature, you can start creating your commercial campaign with just a single image. Let's say right now you only have this one product image. You need to keep the budget low for this campaign so you won't need to hire any models, a studio, or a videographer to create a professional commercial video. Don't worry. We're going to create it with just this one single image and CapCut PC. Let's open CapCut PC and create a new project. Go to the top left under the Media tab and find AI Media. Choose AI Image because right now I need to create a storyboard for our campaign. I want to describe my idea and get a visual for it. I'll upload the product photo here and then type the prompt. I want it to generate a 3x3 visual brief in a single image, so I'll describe my idea here. You can choose from a lot of top models to generate the image: GPT Image 2, Seedream 5.0, and more. For this one, I'll choose GPT Image 2. The ratio is 16:9, and for the quality, I'll choose 4K. Click Generate and wait for the result. As you can see, it produces 4 images for us to choose from, and they can be instantly added to our editing timeline. I'll go with this one. All right, we already have the visual brief, and I love it. Now for the next step, I'll use this storyboard image to create a video. Just select the image, choose Turn into Video, then AI Video. You'll be instantly taken to the AI Video tab with the image you selected already loaded as a reference. Next, just describe what you want it to do. For this storyboard, I'll explain each scene in a bit of detail. For the AI model, I'll use Dreamina Seedance 2.0, the quality set to 1080p, and the duration 15 seconds. Click Generate and wait for the result. As you can see, the result is amazing. It creates such high consistency. The subject background, style, and product stay perfectly aligned across all frames. The level of action and emotional expression is also top-notch. This is a next-level workflow. It's really easy to produce a video for your product right now. If you need to make changes, you can edit it instantly. And if you want to replicate your video, you can do it right here. For example, let's say you want to create a similar video to your last result, but with a different product. Go to the AI Video tab and choose Omni Reference. Just upload the video reference and your new product, and you can instantly create a new video that has the same style but features a different product. Look at the result. The consistency of the product itself is amazing. It creates the same vibe as the reference video. With this method, you can easily take any viral video you find and recreate it for your own product in the same style. And even if you need to edit a clip, you can do it instantly right here inside CapCut itself. This multi-track editing in CapCut PC really saves me time. Before I'd finish editing my video and realize I was missing a clip, I really needed B-roll footage to cover it. Now I don't need to open another AI tool to create that B-roll. I can instantly generate it inside CapCut and add it directly to my editing track. Just go to AI Video, choose text to video type, and describe the footage you want, generate it, and add it straight to your timeline. And it's not just for commercial videos. If you need a UGC style video with someone talking while showing and demoing the product, you can make that here too. Let's try it. Go to Omni Reference menu, then upload the product reference, type the prompt. Inside the prompt, you can include the dialogue you want the model to say. Let's see the result.
Okay, this new Arctic Blast is actually really good. It's super refreshing and not overly sweet. And honestly, the blue can looks premium. If you need a quick focus boost, definitely try this one.
This looks insane. It produces ultra-realistic results. The lifelike UGC style, smooth camera movement, and natural voice make it feel authentic and professional. Very natural and organic, just like the UGC videos you see all over TikTok. And if you think Dreamina Seedance 2.0 can only handle cinematic movements, you're wrong. Even if you want to create an extreme sport commercial with fast camera movements, Dreamina Seedance 2.0 can handle that too. Let's say I upload my sports jacket product here. Just a simple plain product photo as the reference. I want to make a high-paced, action-packed commercial that really shows off the product. Just share your vision in the prompt box and generate. Here's the result. You won't believe this was made with just a single photo inside a CapCut editing track in only a couple of minutes, right? With this integration of multi-track editing combined with AI processing, creating a video has never been easier or faster. If last year it took you a couple of days to produce several product campaign videos, now you can do it in just a couple of hours. You have to try CapCut PC. Click my link to try CapCut PC and explore a faster AI video workflow for marketing and creative content.